Importing videos into CapCut PC is a straightforward process, allowing you to start your editing projects with ease. To begin, open CapCut on your computer and navigate to the main interface. Here, you will see the New Project button. Click on it to create a new editing workspace. This will take you to the Timeline and Media Library section where you can import your videos. There are multiple ways to add videos to your project. The simplest method is to drag and drop the video file directly into the media library. Locate the video file on your computer, click and hold it, then drag it into the CapCut interface. The software will automatically import the file, making it accessible for editing. Alternatively, you can use the built-in import function. In the Media Library section, click on the Import button, which will open a File Explorer window. Browse your computer for the video file you want to add, select it, and click Open. CapCut will then load the file into your media library, allowing you to drag it onto the timeline for editing. Once the video is imported, it will appear in your media library, ready for use. You can now drag it onto the timeline and start trimming, cutting, or adding effects as needed. If you want to add multiple videos at once, repeat the same steps and CapCut will organize them in the media section. Properly importing videos ensures a smooth workflow, saving time and effort during the editing process. Whether you use drag and drop, the import button, or direct file path pasting, CapCut provides multiple ways to bring your content into the editor efficiently.